Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I am going to share top 5 books on my list which you must read. These books impacted my life a lot. Maybe you will not feel the same, but trust me, these are the great books. So let's look at the fifth book on the list. It is A Thousand Splendid Suns. This is a story of two women, Mariam and Laila, who lived in Afghanistan. Mariam is an illegitimate and illiterate girl, where Laila is educated and pampered girl of her parents. It is a good story of both the women, their lives, love, struggles, and of course courage. Somehow this book will make you feel that how blessed we are. Now let's move on to the fourth book on the list. It is The Alchemist. This book is a story of a shepherd boy named Santiago who dreams of a treasure and went on an adventurous journey to find it. This journey is well written in this book, and it is a best fiction book I have ever read after Thousand Splendid Suns. So this book teaches you how journey is more important than destination, how different people meet you in your journey, and what is the role of them in your life, and of course how to follow your dream and take the right decisions. Now let's see the third book. It is Sapiens. This book isn't a fiction book, but it's very informative and interesting book as well. It talks about revolution of humans, economy, agriculture, science, and many other things in this book. How it used to be multiple species of humans thousands of years ago, and how we left only with one species now. How humans used to live thousands of years ago, and how humans live after 100 years. This book is very interesting. This will boost your knowledge and history about mankind. So this is the third book I recommend. Now let's move on to the second one. Second book is The Secret. This book is all about law of attraction. This is the book which introduced me to the law of attraction. I knew nothing before reading this book about law of attraction. This has changed my life, and I recommend you all to read this at least once. It says, if you wish for anything wholeheartedly, you will get it for sure. Whole universe will help you to get that thing. And now move on to the first and most precious book and very important book of our history as well as present. It is the Bhagavad Gita. Everyone knows about Bhagavad Gita, but very few people read it. Even I have not finished it yet, but I will finish it soon. It has all the answers of all the questions about anything in this world or in this universe. Just give it a try and read at least once. Thank you for watching my video. If you like anything about this video, please do like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.